Are you gonna hide?
I did it.
Where's Katya?
There she is! How about a hug? 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 No, I'm too busy covering myself up.
Where's Katya? There she is. Hi. Where's Katya? Where is she?
There she is!
It's like
Take
good.
this thing off of me.
Can you pull it back a little bit?
Katya.
Katya!
Where
Where
is
is she?
Katya?
There she is! Where is Katya? Whoop. Oh, there she is! Whoop. I see a pink ghost. A pink ghost. Who's under that?
There she is.
There it is! Katya the ghost!
Katya, your hood.
There you go. Is that better? They look like little nuns.
Hey, Sister Katya.
Sister Katya.
Blanket, blanket.
I'm pretty sure they don't wear such fashionable attire at the whatever it's called, the conservatory or
The nunnery.
the nunnery, whatever the nun. There's another word for it though that's not the nunnery. It's not
Monastery.